Hello, welcome back to the Eric Michael Show. It's time for another dose of positive refreshment. Since New Year's is rolling around the corner, New Year's is in 2 days, it is time to make New Year's resolutions. So today, we're going to do just that, and I'm going to remind you how to set goals. Don't be stupid about setting goals. Be smart and set SMART goals. What are SMART goals? SMART goals are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's get right into it. S is for specific. Specific. Instead of saying, I want to lose weight, that's not specific enough. How much weight do you want to lose? So, how about 20 pounds? I want to lose 20 pounds. Is it measurable? Yes, I can measure whether or not I can lose 20 pounds. Well, how are you going to measure it? I can check in with my progress weekly. Okay, great. Is it attainable? Are you able to lose 20 pounds? Well, sure, I can do it. Lots of people have done it before. Why not? Relevant. Is it relevant to your overall goals? Yes, one of my overall goals is to be more healthy in general, eating better, exercising, taking better care of myself, etc. So yes. Time bound. What is the deadline you are going to give yourself for this goal? 20 pounds? 3 months? 4 months? We'll say 4 months. I will lose 20 pounds in 4 months. So, I'm going to lose 20 pounds in 4 months, checking in on my progress weekly. How are you going to do this? Well, I'm going to go to the gym 3 times a week. That is an example of a SMART goal. Let's do another one. I want to make more money. Okay, that's not specific, so let's be specific. $1 million. I want to make $200,000. I want to make $200,000. Measurable. Yes, we can measure whether or not we hit that goal. Is it attainable? Will the Dr. Evil million, 2 million? No. So we get to cut it back down to 200,000. Is that attainable? I think so. Plenty of people make that on a regular basis. Anyway, I think it's attainable. Relevant. Is it relevant to my overall life goals? Well, since I want to work for myself and have my time to myself to choose how I see fit, how to spend my time, then yeah, it's pretty relevant. Time bound. I'll give myself a whole year till January 2024 to make $200,000. SMART goals. Let's be smart. So when you are setting New Year's resolutions, don't be stupid about it. Don't just set these vague goals that don't have deadlines and aren't specific with a plan. Be smart. Be specific. Get a plan. Set some deadlines. It'll help you build confidence. It gives you clarity. You'll get momentum as you start rolling. And start with smaller goals. And as you knock them out, you can make them more and more difficult. For example, I want to start meditating. Okay. So is it measurable? I'm going to meditate every day. Well, for how long? I'm going to start with 5 minutes a day for 2 weeks. Then I'm going to increase it to 10 minutes a day and do that for 2 weeks until I get to 15 minutes a day. And then I'm going to stick with that as a daily habit. Another example of a SMART goal. All right, guys. Happy New Year's. And I'll see you next week for another dose of positive refreshment. Happy New Year's. You're not happy, are you, Cookie? Happy New Year's. Hey, Cookie. Happy New Year's. What's your... Yes, one of my overall goals is to be more healthy. I want to make more money.
I want to make more money.
$2 million. $1 million. I'll give myself to the next